Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Tradeskillmaster using an easy method. First, download the TSM desktop application and the in-game add-on from the official website. Once downloaded, install the desktop application and log in with your account. Then, launch your game and verify that all Tradeskillmaster modules are correctly enabled in your add-on settings. This ensures everything is ready for the next steps. Now that TSM is installed, let's configure your groups. Open the Tradeskillmaster interface in-game, usually by clicking the minimap icon or typing a / command. Head over to the Groups tab. Here, you can start creating new groups to organize your items. For example, make a group for all your crafting reagents, another for transmog, and so on. This organization is key for efficient management. Next, we'll set up operations, which are the rules TSM uses to buy, sell, and craft. Go to the Operations tab. Start by creating a simple auctioning operation. You'll define minimum and maximum prices and how many items to post. For crafting, set up an operation that considers material costs and desired profit margins. These operations automate your gold-making strategies effectively. With your groups and operations ready, it's time to put TSM to work. Head to the auction house and run a quick scan using your newly created operations. This will identify items to buy or sell. Then, use the post-scan feature to list your items automatically based on your rules. Remember to regularly update your TSM data through the desktop application to ensure you always have the most accurate market information.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.